Hey everyone, it's Heather Pilkington with Monster Real Estate Group, and I'm working from home today, about to put away my Christmas decorations. That can only mean one thing. It is time to file your homestead exemptions. If you purchased your home in 2024 and this is the first January you are spending in your home, that means you are now eligible for a homestead exemption. You previously moved into your home and you just have not gotten around or remembered to file your homestead exemption. This is your reminder because you could be saving thousands on your property taxes. So we'll go over filling out that form, and then in the comments of this video, I will post some of the surrounding counties' email addresses. You can actually email this form with your supporting documentation that you need, your required documents to get it approved. You don't even have to mail it in anymore. So they've really streamlined the process, made it very easy for you to keep a lot of money in your pockets. Let's get started by sharing my screen and reviewing the homestead exemption. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is your appraisal district's name. So if you're in Bexar County, it's going to be Bexar County Appraisal District, BCAD for short. If you're in Comal, it's going to be Comal County Appraisal District. If you're in Guadalupe, it's going to be Guadalupe. Let's move on to the next question. Are you filing a late application? The answer for this is going to be yes, if you purchased your home in 2023 or prior. The answer to this is going to be no if you purchased your home in 2024 or after. So once you determine whether the answer is yes or no, say the answer is yes, we purchased our home in 2022. I'm going to then be applying for 2023 and 2024. Moving on, the majority of you will be applying for a general homestead exemption. So you're going to click that option. If you have any disability that is recorded, you'll also click that option. If you're a person of the age of 65 or older, you can also click this option. Now, if you're a 100% disabled veteran, we really want to explain this one here. This is a great benefit that the state of Texas offers to our veterans. If you're 100% disabled, you do not pay property taxes. So we really want to pay attention to that option there. I do want to clarify, you do not have to be a 100% disabled veteran in order to get a discount on your property taxes. My husband's a veteran and he has a disability rating of, I believe, 38%. And on top of our homestead exemption, we receive additional discount on our property taxes based on his VA disability rating. The rest is pretty straightforward. Your property owner information, your property information, and then I'm going to scroll down to the waiver of required documentation here. This is something that's going to apply to a lot of our clients. So if you're an active duty member, when you move, because you move so frequently, you don't always have to change your driver's license. A lot of states do not require you to change your driver's license each and every time you move. So you're going to want to click, I am an active duty U.S. Armed Service member or the spouse of an active duty service member. Why we want to make sure we have this clicked is because a driver's license with corresponding addresses are required for this exemption. If I'm applying for an exemption and my address on my driver's license does not match the property that I'm applying for an exemption for, it will not be approved. Now, once we scroll down to page 3, you're going to see general instructions, filing instructions, deadlines, and required documentation. Each appraisal district is going to have the option to email in your homestead exemption. Like I said, they are streamlining this process. They are making it so easy for you to save thousands of dollars. I will go ahead and put each appraisal district's email address in the comments of this post. That way you don't have to stuff the envelope, address the envelope, stamp the envelope, or drop off the envelope. You can just email all of this right over to your appraisal district and save thousands of dollars on your property taxes.